Hello everybody, welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Winters have gone and summers have arrived. And with summer comes thirst, sweat and lots of heaviness. And I feel very thirsty during summer. I drink lots of water, but I am bugged of drinking those salt water or lemon water. But now, no more worries because I carry my summer drinks wherever I go. These are like my summer travel drinks. These are my summer mocktails, even you can say. And whenever I wish, I just have to pop the powder inside a glass, add some ice if I can get hold of it, or some cold water, or even plain water will do because the taste is so good and it's very simple. Even if you get hold of soda, nothing like it, and you can enjoy these drinks guilt free. So let's begin with it. And before that, viewers, please like and subscribe to my channel so that I come out with more new videos, more new ideas, more new keto ideas, keto food ideas. So let's begin with it. So here comes the first mocktail I'm preparing. For this I've taken a mixing bowl. I've added stevia to it. Here goes salt a pinch. And now I'm adding a bit of citric acid crystals, you can say, and some edible orange color and orange essence. If you have orange emulsion, you can use that even. And now this powder, this what I said, you can carry it. So carry this powder in a ziplock and you can transfer it into a mixer jar, add some ice to it and some cold water, and I have to just shake it up. If you don't have a shaker, you can use your normal spoon to stir it even, and that will also do the trick. And if you can get hold of soda, nothing like it, and your Fanta, you can say, it can be prepared, or my orange cooler mocktail is ready. So now I'm going to take it out in a glass, pour it out in a glass, and enjoy the summer with cool orange cooler. So what about you? Prepare and enjoy this. Now I'm going to show you my second mocktail. For this again, the base is almost the same. Here goes the stevia, a little bit of citric acid, lesser than that we have added in the orange one, and now I'm going to add edible color pink. If you have rose emulsion, you can use that. Only for that you don't have to use any essence. Now I'm adding the rose essence, a little bit of rose essence, and now this powder you can carry in your ziplock or in your Tupperware. And there again I'm adding cold water. If you can get hold of the ice, you can add that even. And I'm just going to shake it up or stir it, whichever is comfortable for you, and my drink is ready. So this is my rose cooler. This mocktail is rose cooler. See, lovely pinkish red color. And here's my rose cooler ready. That's my orange cooler, and I'm making the third one. Here again the stevia goes, and to this stevia I'm just going to add the khus essence, a pinch of green color, salt a pinch. No citric acid goes into this. And again this powder also you can carry in your ziplock. This is for 1 glass of drink, the proportion. You can make double the quantity, triple the quantity, and you can carry it along with in your ziplock. And now I'm adding just water and ice, and cover it up and mix it up. Either shake it if you have a shaker, or with a spoon. That will also do the trick. And my Khus Cooler is also ready. I have added ice to it, and see, my drinks are almost done. Here's the orange cooler, this is my Khus Cooler, and that one is my rose cooler. All these 3 mocktails are ready. If you have liked it and enjoyed it, please make these coolers and have a cool summer. And also do subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.